my god, what happened next? Gosh dang it. Look!
Bring the vacuum, please.
God damn it.
Sorry about that. Dad's just being a butthead. Because look what happened.
Well, accidents happen, baby.
Yes, accidents happens and my dad's bringing the vacuum. And we're cleaning this mess tonight. Oh, shoot. This is not good.
Move Daddy's,
There's a vacuum. There comes the vacuum. This is not good.
Somehow the thing on the back got, or the thing on the front got bumped. Okay. And when I picked it up, it just dumped it all on the floor. Yeah.
Look at all the trash. It's dumpster.
Yup, shit happens.
Shit happens?
Yup.
Alright.
What's all the white stuff?
I don't know.
It's like cornstarch or something.
Probably carpet deodorizer or something on it.
I didn't use any of that, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I deodorized the floor and all around.
Oh, that's right.
Dog shit.
See that? See what happens? That's why the white stuff is coming off.
The hose is plugged.
I know, but
Tracking it all over the floor.
yeah, look at the white. Look at all the white. See?
Yeah, we'll get it, baby.
Okay. Okay. Gosh dang it. That's just shit happens.
Yup.
Yep. Shit happens.
Yep, it is, you guys. It is. Oh well. Yep, it is. Yep. We take the trash to the dump. And what are we supposed doing?
Not in the sink.
Not in the sink. No. Just in the trash can, right here. Right here. Okay. That's good. Okay, that's good. That's good. Alright. Yuck.
That's why I take it outside and bang it on the porch.
Yeah.
You're just it's everywhere in your face.
What happened? It was just the white stuff on the floor.
It's deodorizer.
Yeah, it is. It isn't. dumpster on the floor. Oh, freaking Buster. I take for hours and clean this mess. I'm not gonna take hours, never again.